Do you rent in Nebraska? Since there are nearly 200,000 renters in the state and you're watching this video, we're sure that you do. Effective Coverage is committed to providing you with the very best renter's insurance coverage available. Now what's frightening is there's a theft of property in Nebraska every 10 minutes. Yet 60% of renters don't have renter's insurance. Let's not forget that a catastrophe like a tornado can strike at any moment. That means between theft and tornadoes, renters just like you are coming home to catastrophes with no protection. Our insurance experts at Effective Coverage are doing everything in our power to change that. From Norfolk to Sydney, we ensure that we give you the superior assistance you deserve when purchasing your renter's insurance. The great news is that according to the Insurance Information Institute, Nebraska has an average price of just $151 per year for our renter's insurance policy. That means you could purchase a policy from Effective Coverage for just pennies a day. Now, we recognize that those people who live in Nebraska are a proud group of people. They don't call it the Great American Desert for nothing. But you do not want to struggle to recover from a catastrophe if something horrible were to happen to your home. No matter where you live in Nebraska, our coverage spans across the entire state. Now, Nebraska renter's insurance can be confusing, and there are several different coverages on a policy which can last 30 or 40 pages. But we can make it easy for you. We could boil it down into three main groups. The first category is personal liability insurance. This is the part that protects you should you cause bodily injury or property damage to another. Let's say you left the stove unattended and you contributed to one of the nearly 200,000 cooking fires that happens every year. Even though citizens of Nebraska are appreciative of their Western roots, people will still hold you responsible for your actions. This policy will pay to defend you and pay the damages you cause other tenants, even the folks that may own the apartment that you live in. Next is personal property coverage, your belongings. Things like your furniture, clothing, electronics would all need to be replaced in the event of a catastrophe. Unexpected events like tornadoes can occur in Nebraska, and these renter's insurance policies will protect you should your property need to be replaced, even in the worst case scenario. The last section on a renter's insurance policy is often the forgotten section of a Nebraska renter's insurance policy. It's called loss of use coverage. This is the part of the policy that will pay for you to stay in a hotel after a covered loss. You do not want to have to pay for that hotel in Nebraska, especially with the increasing price to stay just one single night. Loss of use coverage on your renter's insurance policy will pay for that hotel stay after a covered loss. Now, here's the best news. You can have all the renter's insurance you need in just minutes from right now. There's only one full-service insurance provider in the country dedicated specifically to renters, and that is Effective Coverage. Just call Effective Coverage and speak with one of our insurance experts for renters, or visit our website and purchase your Nebraska renter's insurance policy right there. Thanks for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.